Are you tired of paying massive monthly fees for your software? It feels like they are just draining your bank account every single month. Trust me, I know exactly how much that hurts. But what if I told you there's a better way? Why does every software need a monthly subscription? Video editors, writing tools, it is too much. I'm spending a fortune before I even make a dime. Are you tired of expensive software subscriptions? Today, we're unlocking the ultimate free AI alternatives. Everything you need is right here on TECHVERSE. Let's open up the ChatGPT mobile app. As you can see, I'm using the standard account. This is the free tier, available to everyone. You get full access without paying a dime.
Get professional power. Access GPT 4o for $0.
Now, let's ask DALL-E 3 for an image. I will type a prompt for a futuristic car. The AI processes the request instantly, and there it is, a stunning high-quality render. Expand it to see the detail. Now let's look at file uploads. Just drag and drop your PDF right into the chat. There are no credit limits to worry about. It instantly analyzes your documents, making document analysis easier than ever. Watch the full workflow kick into gear. It browses the live web for the latest data. Then, it runs code to analyze and visualize it.
Let's break down the real cost difference here. We have Jasper Pro at $69 a month compared to ChatGPT Free at $0. So is the premium price actually worth it? Forget about Grammarly because this new tool is better. Look up here, my Grammarly extension is completely grayed out, but ChatGPT gives me active suggestions. It improves my writing in real time without any cost. This is why you need to make the switch today. As a freelancer, every dollar counts. You just tap in your expenses and look at that, $600. That is your annual savings right there.
And the best part? You can finally cancel that expensive writing subscription. This tool alone saves you hundreds every year.
At number 6, Canva AI. The tool that made an entire generation of non-designers realize they never actually needed Photoshop.
Canva's free plan covers 90% of use cases for former Adobe users, saving you over $600 a year. You get AI-powered image generation, magic resize for every format, and drag-and-drop design for social posts, and thumbnails. A simple prompt generates professional presentations and marketing layouts within minutes, all without taking a single design class. Unless you are a professional print designer, Canva is the Adobe subscription cancellation you've been putting off for too long.
Number 5, Gamma. The tool that makes traditional PowerPoint feel like a relic. From a different century entirely.
Gamma's free tier builds full presentation decks from simple prompts, saving light users up to $240 annually. You type just one sentence describing your topic, and Gamma handles the design and layout. Formatting is done for you automatically. It doesn't stop at slides. That same prompt magic works for building clean documents and simple professional web pages.
For students and entrepreneurs who hate fighting with slide templates, this tool is an absolute revelation for your workflow. Coming in at number 4, Otter.ai. The meeting assistant quietly saving professionals hundreds of dollars in monthly transcription fees.
Otter goes head-to-head with premium platforms, recording and transcribing with high accuracy. Yes, it is incredibly accurate. Otter captures every word so you don't have to. It highlights key moments from your calls and delivers a shareable summary, the exact moment your meeting ends.
For anyone spending time in meetings, Otter transforms potential time sinks into fully documented and actionable sessions. No more manual note-taking, no more expensive transcription invoices, just clear, organized records of every single conversation.
Number 3, CapCut. The video industry hasn't processed this. This free tool is incredibly disruptive. It is aggressively replacing software. Expensive software is done.
It auto-captions with scary accuracy, removes backgrounds, and applies AI effects. It resizes content for every platform automatically.
Creators are realizing they were paying way too much for Premiere. Short-form editing is now effortless.
Auto subtitles and templates make TikTok and YouTube Shorts a breeze, and the free tier never adds watermarks to your final output. ElevenLabs, the tool that made professional voice artists nervous, for good reason. It's a total game changer for solo creators.
The free tier gives you 10,000 characters of high-quality AI voice monthly. That's enough for all your YouTube intros and social content.
The quality is so realistic, most viewers can't tell it from a human. You can choose dozens of voices or even clone your own.
Adjust tone, pacing, and languages instantly. This is the single biggest cost-saving tool. For creators who used to outsource narration, this is a game changer. Want to save thousands this year? Today, I'm showing you the top free AI tools that are making paid subscriptions obsolete. At number 1, Google's NotebookLM. This free tool is so powerful, it's actually embarrassing. For expensive paid research platforms, it instantly becomes your personal expert.
It doesn't guess like other bots. It answers questions and finds connections using only your sources. It is truly remarkable.
Students and lawyers are canceling their expensive subscriptions the moment they discover this free tool from Google. Stop paying for research and try this today.
And there you have it, the top free AI tools of 2026 that are going head-to-head with expensive software and winning.
Stack just 4 of these, like ChatGPT, Canva, Perplexity, and ElevenLabs, and you cover 95% of your daily needs. Your total monthly cost? 0. So which subscription are you canceling first? Drop it in the comments below. I want to know. I genuinely want to know how much money this video just saved you. If it saved even one subscription, smash that like button.
Subscribe to TECHVERSE and turn on notifications so you never miss our breakdowns of the tools shaping how we work today.
We are constantly tracking the best software alternatives to keep your workflow professional without the professional price tag.
Until next time, keep exploring the future and start creating more for less. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.